How about we read Goodnight Bubbala? In the small blue room there was a Bubbala and a little Schmata, and then oy vey came the whole mishpaka, and there were two little bubbies schlepping their hubbies, and 1 dozen bagels, and a pot of knadels, and a little toy gorilla, and spinning dreidels, and a flute, and a lute, and some dancing and yelling, and a happy old Zadie who sang, "I'm quelling." Good night, room, good night, Schmata, good night, Mishpaka, noshing on latkes. Good night, books, and the little tchotchkes. Good night, bubbies, good night, hubbies. Good night, knadel, and the schmear on a bagel. Good night, gelt, and good night, dreidel. Good night, little blocks, and good night, tzedakah box. Good night, pot, and good night, lute. Good night, menorah, good night, flute, and good night to old Zadie, asleep in his suit. Good night, kisses, good night, stars above. Good night, Bubbala, my mensch, my love. And good night, gorilla. That's the whole Megillah. The end.